Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use this incredible AI website that you can't just miss. Personally, I was surprised that this AI website exists because it has all of the AI tools you need in one website. I'm talking about everything from 200 plus online tools, and the best part of it, it's 100% free. Now, what I'm talking about with this one, let's start with image tools because you're just seeing 5 right here, right? But each one of them has 10 plus tools for each one. So let's check out the PDF tools first. Open that landing page right there. So you'll have starting from merge to PDF up to EPS to PDF. And that's actually great. Now going back to the landing page right here, I want to try this one. Very curious about this image tools right here because there is an AI image generator. From someone who's using Midjourney for so often now, I'm very curious on the image generator tools for others. So for this one, let's try a cute bunny. Simple as that. Not very problematic, not very hard to generate. Now while it's waiting for it to finish, I want to take you to the next tool because I want to save time here. Let's multitask, okay? So let's go to the next landing page of video tools. For example, you want to trim your video and you just don't know where, you can simply go here and click trim video over there and then just upload your video. Let's try it out. So I have a video right here that I got from Midjourney earlier, and then I can just simply trim it for the specific section or specific frame of this exact video. And let's just say I am satisfied with this one as of now. Let's check it out. So the only downfall for TinyWow personally is that it's a little bit slow because it's free and a lot of people are using it. But other than that, it's perfect. So trim it and then wait for the CAPTCHA to reload. This is where it gets interesting. Just verify you're human and then wait for the cue. Now I think my image is finished. Let's check it out as of now. And there you go. Simply click on download the original, and then the photo will be directed on your PC. Now let's just go back to the landing page again because there's a lot to cover here. I'm not gonna cover a lot, I'm just gonna show you the tools that I love about this one. Let's try, how about AI Write right there? Because with this one, they have an essay writer. Simply choose this essay writer right here, and then just type in an essay topic. Let's just say the importance, okay, of honey to bees. So number of paragraphs, let's just say 2. Edition level, let's just say college, and then click on generate. So just wait for it to generate the CAPTCHA. So here's the only thing about this one, it's free, but there's a lot of free CAPTCHA. So while it's generating, let's check out my trim video, and my video is ready. Simply click on download, save the device, and there you go. I have the trim video on my device right now. Now what can I do to that trim video? I can go back to the landing page of course and choose what to do with it. Go back to video tools over here and then make a GIF from that video. So video to GIF, write this one, and then just simply upload that specific GIF or video I just trimmed. Basically, it's so easy. And then basically click on frame rate. Let's just say 5 and click on convert. Now it's just gonna ask for a CAPTCHA, so each one of these tools is asking for a CAPTCHA before proceeding. Just checking if for a computer or not. Anyway, let's go back to the earlier landing page and check if it is out. You can download it as of now. Again, for free guys, not a problem. It will be downloaded by text file right here. Let's open it, and there you go. Actually guys, there's a lot to tackle here, but I'll leave that to you because it's 200 plus tools, right? Anyway, last one, let's go back to this page and check if it's done. So my GIF is done. Simply click on download right here, and then again it will be downloaded on your PC. So that's how you use this website, TinyWow. It's a very good website, so I hope you had fun, and thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.